Yeah. Welcome back to my channel. So yo, Kartel drop a song named Str8 Vybz. Kartel me not drinking, but me I gonna eat some milk and cookies. Before going further, like, comment, subscribe. Yo, if you watch my video them lately, I am happy. I'm in a place where I'm happy. Alright? So don't mind the shenanigans and the craziness. I'm just happy. Okay? So yeah. I could jump in that video right now. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. That's
Who make it wrong? Who make it wrong?
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. No. The intro did bad. It bad. Make we go back. It bad. Me like it. It's simple and bad. TJ Records, big up yourself. TJ, big up yourself, youth. Hard working youth. I love what you have Vybz Kartel a role. Security, all that. Big up.
Who make it wrong?
I like the camera trick there too. So far, video quality look good.
Who make it wrong? This around and no boring. It make ugly girl look like pretty darling. Str8 Vybz still a morning.
Bombo. Yo, make ugly girl look like pretty darling.
Come for your uncle, somebody should have warned him. When you want to feel real vibes, when you want to feel Str8 vibes, somebody else get ice. Make TJ not nice. Overproof of the bad man choice.
Somebody get ice. Come back again. Hear dog say.
Somebody else get ice. Make TJ not nice.
Not. Boom. Glad.
The bad man choice. And I'm strong with the gal them like.
Don't tell me say dog just say enhance rum make the girl them nice. How the girl them like? Hold on.
I'm strong with the gal them like.
Precisely. Big up enhance.
Not Smirnoff ice. Them a lick higher, make gal pussy tight. Them a lick higher, make it tugs them hype. Now we no pop pill we pop.
Some of them girl need to find that rum here. Your Kartel say? This a rum here make the girl pussy tight.
Buckle all night. Oh, tell everybody we're ready for starting. We're charging the shorties. We are sell down the party. Everybody
The loose Vuitton jacket that's sick.
happy. Nothing cannot stop it. Don't lock it off in a copy. Somebody else get it go. If you're not careful, you vomit and cut. Hey, mommy, you know me, give your son no rum. Beg you please feel like me t-shirt.
Yo! Me love the fact that Gaza people them come together. Just wish Black Rhino could have did it, but this is a lifestyle.
Just when you got or have a cup of water and shut the fuck up. Make a toast, me no mean bread, no cheers. Now everybody drink up. Tell everybody.
Pull up this blood clot here. Kartel.
Who make it wrong?
You know anything be here? It's a lifestyle moment.
Who make it wrong?
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
This around and no boring. It make ugly girl look like pretty darling. Str8 Vybz still a morning.
Get in. Me have one rum for you.
For your uncle, somebody should have won it. When you want to feel real vibes. When you want to feel straight vibes. Somebody else get ice. Make TJ not nice. Overproof on the bad man choice. And I'm strong with the...
Have a rum for you. Kartel said, I remember make ugly girl look nice. But if you so pretty already, and you're drinky, you're gonna look nicer. Yeah. Yo, should people have a dish? Should people have a dish? Eh? A dish this no food I want. I say I don't cook get woman nowadays, I got that woman I respect it. Hey.
Them like not Smirnoff ice. Them a lick ya make y'all pussy tight. Them a lick ya make it touch them hype. Now we no pop pill we pop buckle all night.
Big up Kartel for that. We no pop pill, we pop buckle all night. We no cut out them pop mud is something that I will call it a brother. Please.
Oh, tell everybody we ready for starting. We charging the shorties. We are sell down the party. Everybody happy. Nothing cannot stop.
All joke aside, I love the reform Kartel that we got out of prison. Obviously, you can tell that Kartel is a changed person. See me? And we appreciate the reform Kartel that we have. You can tell Kartel is more reserved, he's more strategic, and you can tell that he's always been a critical thinker. But now you can see him put the critical thinking in play. And we appreciate that. You see me? We have a more mature artist on our hand. An artist who can guide younger artists in the right direction. You see me? Because a lot of people look up to Kartel. So, we love that. Good music never stop. Remember that.
Don't like it off in a somebody else get it go. If you're not careful, you vomit and God. Hey, mommy, you know me, give your son no rum. Beg you please, feel like me t-shirt.
Yo, your man skill. The man say, mommy, I know me give your son rum. Please take off from me tea. Yo. So the man just say, I know me kill your son, you know. As into lizard. You see me? Yo, it throw me off all again, brother.
Brave vocals to when you got or have a cup of water and shut the fuck up. Make a toast, me no mean bread, now cheers. Now everybody drink up. Oh, tell everybody.
Sanja Rose. Hello. How you doing? You see how your titty drop out? Drop your titty in my mouth. You what?
We ready for starting. We charging the shorties. We are sell down the party. Everybody happy. Nothing cannot stop it. Don't lock it off in a copy. Hold on. Somebody else get ice.
Rebel, big up your damn self. Big up Rebel. Big up Rebel. Rebel is a fucking hard worker. Just Rebel at the music video again. Hold on there.
Make TJ not nice. Overproof.
Just Rebel a while ago.
Make TJ. Somebody else get
Rebel there. Hey Rebel, don't wait. Hey, Rebel, can I hide in business today, fan? When you just see her, I think I hold that there. CC or TC. I Rebel this behind that umbrella on. See her there. See Rebel there. See, she have on the R. The chain. We see her, Rebel. We see her. But we want to say, Rebel, big up yourself. He's a hard worker. See her put in the work. You see me? And some people for stop. Bad mind people. Leave the girl alone. Far Rebel I come from, you know, brother. And if you understand that, you know. Alright. So Rebel, big up yourself, mom. I love it. Play the man.
Somebody else get ice.
Room.
Make TJ not nice. Overproof of the bad man choice. And I'm strong with the girl them like. Not Smirnoff ice. Them a lick ya make girl pussy tight. Them a lick ya make it touch them.
We know a girl want that room here right now.
I now we no pop pill we pop buckle all night. Oh, tell everybody we're
Ready for party.
Me charging me shorties. Hey, we're
Ready
selling
along
the
the
party.
party.
Everybody happy.
Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Nothing cannot stop it. Don't lock it off in a copy.
One Kartel. One Kartel. TJ Records. Big up yourself. Now, this is a phenomenal image of Vybz Kartel. However, I could pause for a minute. First, I want to say congratulations to Freedom Street. It was a great show. What I expected, like I said, never expect a fully functional Vybz Kartel, but we're happy to see Kartel out. You see me? I've always been a fan of a Kartel. You see me? I know Kartel, then I know Idonia. So really and truly, I know Idonia true Kartel. You see me? So, in a sense. You see me? Because I think one of the first songs I hear Idonia was Chicken Head. And then me hear Kingfisher Come with Iman Kartel. Wicked piece of song. I don't hear tell me say Kingfisher come. I with the long piece of gun. 4-4 Magnum with the belly long down. Wicked piece of song. You see me? So I saw come with the start, pay attention to I don't know. Come and see that boy your body fuck. Why I don't hear tough man? You see me? So again, Kartel play a role in a lot of artists' career. You see me? Because you know one true Kartel. You know enough artists true Kartel. But the song we get the song a 10 out of 10. The video 10 out of 10. You see me? Now, everyone at Kartel song them when come out of prison. I have said this before and I can't put enough emphasis on make your videos match your music. Your music should match your video. That's how you keep people locked on. If you are singing about weed and a car you are driving it, we don't want to see that. If you are singing about weed, smoke your weed and incorporate other things with you smoking weed. Kartel are singing about rum, it might show your party, it might show your rum, it might show your versatility. We need that in the video then, please. Because if you see me in the schema as you come for, you're not going to like it. Alright. No violence. Happy New Year. Thank you. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.